Hello everyone, this is Smita and today you will learn about A.G. Cronin's short story, Two Gentlemen of Verona. Here are the pre-reading questions. What feelings are connected with the image of war? Have you read about wars, either in your history books or in any other books? Have you watched the war scenes on TV? Or have you seen the pictures of war on newspapers? Have you ever experienced such critical circumstances? What is the impact of war on adults and what is its impact on children? With these questions, let us move on to the short analysis. The title is taken from Shakespeare's play Two Gentlemen of Verona. That play speaks about two male friends and their friendship. Verona is in Italy. The narrator visits the village in Italy taking a car, and when he finds two young boys selling fruits, the car driver stops him from buying, but he doesn't listen to him and he buys fruits. The boys are Nicola, age 13, and Jacopo, age 12. They are brothers. Their father is a widower. He was killed in the war. So war is the background for this short story. They lost their home after a bomb explosion due to war. The boys are finally left with their only beloved sister, Lucia. She now suffers from tuberculosis in spine. She is hospitalized near Poletta, 30 kilometers from this village, and the boys work hard to pay her hospital bills. Now let us see what are the jobs that they do. They sell fruits, they sell newspapers, they don hats, and they even become tourist guides. They don't ask for help from anyone and have high self-esteem. They work hard and they make money. So the mystery behind making this money is what makes the narrator curious about them. When the narrator asks them if he could offer any help, they decline. It is with hesitation the younger boy asks for a lift in his car. He drops them before a building and they promise to return within an hour. The building turns out to be a hospital. The narrator follows the two boys and finds out from a nurse their purpose of visit. It is here he comes to know about their sister who is sick. But he never shows them that he knows their story. He appreciates their unflinching courage even after such bitter experiences of war. Let us move on to the further thoughts. Why are the two young boys referred as gentlemen? They are very young, but they are referred to as gentlemen. How does the narrator treat the two children in the beginning of the story? How does the narrator feel about the children towards the end of the story? What makes the two children keep moving ahead in their life? Thank you.